Why don't most personal injury claims have a high value? Well, most common personal injury claims are soft tissue claims. It's going to be a sprain or strain to your neck, your back, maybe shoulder or knees. And these things just don't have very, very high values, but there are a lot of them. So, what they do have in common with high value cases, though, is that they require the same things to be proven in order to obtain a settlement or a verdict. The first thing is liability. You need to show that somebody else is at fault for injuring you. The second, if it's a car accident, you need to show that there's damage to the vehicles involved. If there is no evidence of damage, people are probably going to say, hey, look, there wasn't an accident, or if there was an accident, it didn't even damage the cars to any significant degree. So how are you damaged inside the car? Of course, there's opposites in the other direction, but those are tougher cases to prove. You also need the third thing is to show that you got medical treatment after the accident, and you need to show you got that medical treatment pretty quick. Maybe hours or days, but certainly if you didn't start treating until weeks afterwards, that's going to look like your medical treatment was not related to your accident. And the medical bills have to be significant too. If you needed a bottle of Motrin and maybe one quick care visit for $30, that's not going to be very much of a settlement. And last but not least, the other driver needs to have money, and usually that is in the form of insurance. So if you don't have one of these things, you're probably not going to be able to achieve a small settlement, or if you had severe injuries, you're probably not going to be able to get a large settlement either. So just because you see lawyers on TV saying, hey, my client got X hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars, well, they're showing off their best day. They're not showing what the average injury collection is. So if you are injured in an accident and it is a fairly minor injury, do not believe you're going to get these big numbers that these lawyers are advertising to you on television.